Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find the apps right here. Then let's tap on System App Settings and basically not here, Manage Apps, sorry. Here, let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset App Preferences. And as you can see, your device will inform you that it will reset the preferences for disabled apps, apps notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and what is more, no worries, you won't lose any app data. So simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your POCO F5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.